Hey, J-Bro's popping back in here. Yeah, back at the lake deck deck gig here. Yeah, pretty tough day to deal with here. We were casting out yesterday and just caught some monster bass, but I wasn't really fishing. I was kind of more messing around with this deck. But this deck is leveled out at this point. But right now the main culprit is these steps. I've got a pretty good idea what I'm going to go, or how I'm going to go about doing this. I'm probably going to start on the first base, and then I'll explain after the first base what I'm going to do. Otherwise I'd just sit here and babble so much. But we're going to get these tip top and looking end game beautiful. Yeah, so I got that base all set, and what I did under those, if I didn't already say, I basically put paving stone base under these because you know, you're not really supposed to put those directly to soil because they'll just push down whatever. So I did that, and then I glued all these together, leveled these out. But you can kind of see we're gaining that extra 16 inches, so we're going to the 4-foot width here. And right now I'm kind of at the point where the next row of block will come 3 wide, or 3 here, and then 6 deep. And yep, basically I don't really have to do all that leveling BS that I had to do on this lower half. And the reason we're doing this is all these cinder block I had gotten from a different project. So these are basically all free, and yeah, they're going to turn out just fine. Where's this base going to go? You know, we got sub base, we got paver under here. This is packed, you know, so on and so forth. This side hill is, you know, virgin soil, so it's not going anywhere. The only way this is going to go anywhere if the lake rises and it starts pushing in the embankment. Well, I think I'll probably be dead by that point. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this one set up here, and then like also I packed all the pockets just to give it extra integrity. But the main thing is our base is super solid, super good, super level, and we're going to glue and put all each level up so it won't go anywhere. And the other thing we're doing, unlike before, see how those stones were against the building? We are going with 1.5 inch space off the building, so the steps have nothing to do with the building, because we don't know if the building's going to continue to sink or not. We just wanted to kind of disconnect that completely, so the steps are on its own accord. But I'll pop back here. We're going to try to get, I think, 3 more high today, and yeah, just hit it up another time, because I think after 3 more steps up, that's all the cinder block I have here for this operation now. But now that the base is done, the rest of this stuff should go super quick. But I'll pop back in. Yeah, here we are. We're about 6 steps up, got about 5 to go. Super sturdy. Been packing pies or pockets, gluing them together. Yeah, these are leveled out, good to go. I'm going to take those stones there and just lay them here for now, because I'm looking to pull the plug for today. And then I'll just go grab, I think, another 40 more. And that will be the end of the block and the end of these steps. And then I'll probably just do a separate video on the next wave when I get to there. But yeah, it's a fair amount of work and stuff like that. But as far as overall price, hey, J-Bro's popping in here. Just got back out to the lake place. There's the catwalk. That's kind of the reveal we're looking for. I think that's going to be beautiful. Got the manpower up there. They are hauling them to me. Shouldn't be long. So as fast as I can glue them down and stuff like that, fast it'll be done. But I'll pop back in here up a little bit. Yeah, we got that done. I can't thank the boys enough. They without them it would have taken triple the time. But this is kind of what we're looking at up here coming down. I'm very pleased with the aesthetics on this, and I think it actually looks cooler from down below. And this is where we're going to probably build this up and build it down a little bit and put paving stones here. And of course, as you can tell, I haven't got that deck, but try to give you the feel from when you're walking up here. So there's obviously the cinder block under there, and then the cap block. So if you're looking to do something insanely cheap, is there imperfections here? Yeah, there is, because there's differences in the cinder block than you'd normally use with regular block. But when I grinded the cinder block down relatively flat, I was able to get these all pretty flat. But yeah, I think there was, let's just say $100, which was free to me, in cinder block. So there's 100 cinder block here, and then what are we doing? Threes. Yeah, I think there was 32 cap block. I think they were like 10 bucks a piece. So let's just say this whole project, actually in real material that we had to purchase, was 360 bucks. Well, then actually the adhesive, because those are like 10 bucks a tube. So I probably went through a full case of those, so 16 of those. Yeah. So let's just say there was 500 some bucks into these steps, but they're obviously 5 million times better than what was here. And I'll just give you the feel. It's got a nice little lip reveal. I put a 3/4 inch space there, and what we'll do is there'll be another cap block right here, but I'm not glued to those yet because I have to adjust these. So that'll be there, another cap block above that, and then this will be the height that we're starting here to then shoot over there with the sidewalk, and then we'll do probably 4 steps new over there. And like I mentioned before, this is the railing kind of slash sitting bar area, you know, when you're just sitting here overlooking the lake, which, you know, we pretty much just took this totally unfunctionable steps and safety issue and creating it kind of in a little paradise. And of course we'll address stuff down here down the road, but this was the main safety factor because these steps are so unsafe. But it goes to show, with when it comes to landscaping and stuff, the materials are not expensive. Honestly, if you got the time and ambition, where you just want to take the patience to do something like this, it's just a fair, honestly, it was way more shoveling than I had anticipated, because you can see all the earth that I moved here, and we're just going to leave that bump up. Kind of gives it a little coziness. But anyway, that's all from here on the steps. I will more than likely pop back in when we get the patio going, or excuse me, sidewalk going. But I want to show you this up top too. We just got the outside shed brought in, and that's looking pretty cool over there. Yeah, look at that. That's a dominant helper right there. Got that shed over here brought in, and yeah, that's pretty interesting as well. And then up there is going to be the bathhouse. So yeah, a lot of stuff moving on. That's where we're carrying the block from. So yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.